This question says if 1 over a plus 1 over b, so 1 over a plus 1 over b equals 1 over c. And it says the value of ab equals c. So I'm going to write that over here. The value of ab equals c. Question says, what is the average of a and b? The first thing you got to keep in mind is what it is they're asking for. It says, what is the average of a and b? Remember that average means you should add up all the numbers or take the sum of all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers that you have. Okay? So if that's the case, what we're really solving for is the value of a plus b divided by 2, since we have 2 items. So let's come back here and see if we can solve for the value of a and b, or the value of a plus b. Remember that when you're working with fractions, in this case 1 over a and 1 over b are fractions. When you're adding fractions, you need a common denominator. Your common denominator in this case between a and b is ab. So I'm going to multiply this by b, multiply this by b, and on this side I'm going to multiply the value of b on the bottom by a, and multiply this by a. Okay? B times 1 is b, a times b is ab, plus a times 1 is a times b is ab, and that's equal to the value of 1 over c. Keep in mind that the question also says wherever you see ab, you can put c. You can substitute the value of c. So I'm going to rewrite this as b over c plus a over c equals 1 over c. Now keep in mind whenever you're working with fractions, say for instance I said 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5, would say that's equal to 5 over 5. In that case, these two numbers, 2 and 3, add up to give you the 5, and then you keep your denominator the same. So using the same logic, the value of b plus a must be equal to 1, since your denominators are constant all the way through. So I'm going to come back in here and solve for the average and say that my average is now equal to 1 over 2. So the answer to this question is 1/2. Thank you.